Hey everybody, this is Trish from Sky Optics and Flight Sunglasses, getting ready for the holidays and wanted to just give you guys a sneak peek of some of our brand new Randolph Engineering aviators that we have in stock. We have some beautiful, unique color combinations. So let's get started with the Randolph Amelia. This particular pair of glasses is plated in 22K chocolate gold, really beautiful. Let you get a little view of that. This has the Northern Lights lens in it, which is a tan gradient Skyforce light lens, and it also has a really subtle, cool flash mirror on the outside. It does really kind of remind you of, all those beautiful pictures of the Northern Lights that you see. What I like about this aviator too is it's got this little swoop in the bridge, just makes it a little unique. Really pretty. In that same Amelia frame, we also have it in a really pretty rose gold. So let me show you that one. Again, 22K jeweler's grade plating on these. Really beautifully made. This one has a definite statement rose gold mirror lens on it. Really cool. Definitely some jewelry for the eyes, adds a little bling. Really pretty, really comfortable, really lightweight. The next one is the Concorde. Definitely your more traditional aviator. Same color combination as that last one, rose gold frame, rose gold flash mirror. More of a traditional teardrop aviator with a flat bridge. So it's definitely a bold statement, definitely a little more of that traditional aviator fit to it. And lastly, I just wanted to show you the Thaden. This is a smaller frame, definitely for your more petite person. I have a medium size head. I think people could, I can pull it off, but definitely this would work for someone who's a little more petite. Same color combination. This is the Northern Lights lens in a polarized lens. You can see it's a little bit more vibrant in the color because of the polarization, but it's still that really pretty 23K chocolate gold. Again, Randolph Engineering is made in the United States, lifetime warranty on their frames anywhere there's a soldered joint, and just amazing high quality. Really pretty glasses. Feel free to give us a call, 717-288-7727. Stop in the store at 24 North Beaver Street in York, Pennsylvania, and we will hook you up with some beautiful glasses. Thanks, bye.